Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. If in case you're not subscribed to my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Today in our masala series, we will look into see how we could prepare a tandoori masala. Now this masala can be used for any tandoori dishes. So let's see how we could prepare this tandoori masala. We have taken a medium pan and we have preheated it, and we're gonna fry these ingredients using this pan, and we're gonna fry it in medium-low flame. 2 teaspoons of coriander, one teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, fry this till you get the aroma of the pepper and the cumin. One medium-sized mace, quarter nutmeg, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom, 1 inch of cinnamon, 8 cloves, 8 green cardamom, a small piece of dry ginger. Now once the ingredients are roasted, turn off the stove, and after we turn off the stove, we will add around 10 numbers of Kashmiri red chilies. We're going to fry this in the heat of the pan. We will shift this to a plate and we will allow it to cool down. Now that the ingredients have cooled down, I'm going to shift it to a mixer jar and we're going to grind it into a fine powder. Your tandoor masala is ready. We will be using this tandoor masala in our future videos to make various different dishes. If in case you missed out the ingredients, please do look at the description below to find the ingredients and the method for preparing. Hope you loved my video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.